You've been told that space is a vacuum, empty, inert, a boundless void separating stars and planets. We challenge that assumption. What if that so-called void is, in fact, the most dense, information-rich, and fundamental substance in existence? The concept was dismissed a century ago: the ether, the necessary medium through which light and energy must travel. It was discarded by classical physics, but it is now being rediscovered through new terms. If vibration and geometry are the language of reality, then the ether is the very fabric upon which that language is written. To grasp this, consider an accessible analogy: the ocean. Before wave mechanics were fully understood, one might have looked at the surface and assumed water was simply a passive liquid. But the water is the medium. It is the non-local substrate that connects every single wave and every drop of water in real time. A disturbance in one part of the ocean is registered by the whole. Now translate this structural principle to the cosmic scale. The ether is the cosmic ocean. It is the subtle, ubiquitous energetic substrate that ensures instantaneous energetic coupling throughout the universe. It is the reason why your coherent intention in one location can have measurable effects elsewhere, because there is no empty space to separate them. Modern physics uses a different name, but describes the same pervasive medium: the zero-point field, ZPF, or vacuum energy. Quantum field theory confirms that even a perfect vacuum, stripped of all matter and temperature, is not empty. It seethes with enormous quantities of fluctuating energy, a sea of virtual particles constantly popping into and out of existence. This is the immense, measurable energetic potential of the void. This ZPF is the modern ether. It is the ZPF that facilitates non-locality. Non-locality is the principle that two points in space can be instantaneously connected, regardless of distance. It is the undeniable physical reality that space is not a barrier. It is a conduit. And that conduit is the ether, providing the energetic substrate for instantaneous communication. The body acts as a resonant antenna tuned to this field. The highly organized liquid crystalline continuum, the body's structural water and connective tissue, as explored in episode 6, serves as the primary interface. It is this crystalline, ordered medium that is sensitive enough to detect and organize the subtle, high-frequency fluctuations of the ZPF. When the organism achieves quantum coherence, it is not just aligning its internal systems. It is achieving a phase match with the zero-point field itself. This allows for near-perfect, noiseless energy transfer, low entropy, between the local biological system and the vast, cosmic reservoir of energy, maximizing the system's power and its informational access to the whole. Consciousness, therefore, is not a product within the brain. It is the localized, phase-locked expression of the universal ether ZPF, utilizing the body's coherent liquid crystalline matrix as its antenna. Your awareness is not separate from the cosmic field. It is a localized manifestation of it. Your intent is the focused organization of energy, which ripples through the ZPF via non-locality, carrying its geometric and coherent signature to all connected points. The strength of your intent is simply the quality of your internal coherence, your system's ability to tune its liquid crystal body perfectly to the universal ether. Ancient systems knew this. In Vedic cosmology, the fifth element beyond earth, water, fire, and air is Akasha, or Kai. Akasha is not a gas. It is the fundamental medium of space itself, the pervasive non-physical substance that is the container for all matter and the substrate for all sound and information. This concept is philosophically resonant with the modern scientific description of the zero-point field as the universal substrate, from which all reality precipitates. Stop thinking about space as empty. Start recognizing it as a medium of infinite potential, a universal circuit. The coherence you build within is the key that unlocks this infinite energy source, making you an active participant in the geometric dance of the ether. You are not here to survive. You are here to resonate. From energy back to awareness, the loop completes.